Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella, and today we're going to be going over all of the new ERIN CONDREN accessories for 2021. Now, if you missed my last video, we went ahead and reviewed the 2021 ERIN CONDREN Life Planner. So if you missed it, make sure to hop over there and check out that video. I'll make sure to pop it up here on the screen. But other than that, we're going to be getting into this box right here and going through all of the new accessories that match the new planner and the new layouts. And yes, I said layouts because there's 2 designs for layouts this year, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get into the good stuff. So the first thing that I have here in my box is a set of compliment cards. So if you guys don't know, typically when you purchase a life planner, there will be a little pouch in there with some extra goodies for you. And inside that pouch, there's usually, I think, 3 or 4 compliment cards. And I believe this right here that I have is the whole set of 12 compliment cards. A simple way to make their day. Surprise someone with an unexpected compliment that will spread joy and hopefully inspire others to do the same. So this is a pack of 10 compliment cards, and they do have the new layers print on them, and it's just in a bunch of different colors, and they have beautiful sayings on them. Like here, let me read a couple. Love yourself, you are enough, you lift me up, you've got this, and one day at a time. So that's just a couple of them. I've got a stack of 10 here, each of them with a different saying and a different color on them. So if you are someone that likes to spread joy and share compliments with people, then maybe getting a stack of compliment cards to have handy would be really useful for you. You can put them in your purse, in your bag, maybe in your desk. And if someone's just having a down day and you want to lift their spirits, this is something that you could easily share with them to do that. Next up, I have a new planning pack. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the planning packs. They are so useful. I have one that I've been using for 2 years now, actually. I haven't switched it out or anything, but it has all of my top accessories for planning. So let me get this open real quick and then we'll talk about it more. Okay, so for this planning pack, I got the colorful layers print. I believe there is also a neutral layers print, and then they also have their flower power print in this as well, which is gorgeous. Like I was saying, I like to store my favorite accessories in my planning pack. So mine typically has like a tiny pair of scissors for stickers, some whiteout, my favorite pens, their little gold ruler that they sell, and then I have a gift card that I keep in there as well in case I need to rip washi tape. And I think I also keep some washi tape in mine as well. So I absolutely love my planning pack for little accessories like that. The planning packs come with a little stock card piece on the back for packaging, and then it has a little note here on it. It says plan for tomorrow, celebrate today, and it has the layers print on it again. So this one has, again, the colorful layers print. On the back, it's this gorgeous dark teal color, and then it has a gold foiled elastic band. So you can go ahead and wrap this around your notebooks, your planners, or you can just have it stored somewhere. It has a gold zipper on the top, which is gorgeous, and then it has the same dark teal insides as well. And it's just one big pouch. There's no pockets or anything, but I personally love using this. It's so handy. And I also keep one for at work as well that holds all of my electronic accessories. So if I have headphones, any adapters that I need for work, anything like that, I use a planning pack for that as well. Okay. Oh, next thing is just the postcard that came in my order. So in the past, ERIN CONDREN has done a monthly postcard depending on when you place an order from their website. This one just has their really gorgeous rainbow print on it. I don't know the exact name of this print. I'll pop it up here on the screen for you guys, but this is gorgeous. It's beautiful. And then on the back, it's just a really kind note, and I feel like it's very reflective of what we're currently experiencing in the world. It says, at the end of the storm is a rainbow. And then it has a really great note from her and her team just thinking about you. So if you do place an order, you'll be getting one of these as well. There's so much in this box, I don't know what to grab for next. I'm just gonna go for the first thing that's closest to me, and it is their new stylized sticky dashboard, and it is in the layers print once again. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this thing. I have always been, oh, this is pretty too. And once again, it comes with a hard, like cardstock piece of paper for packaging, but this is absolutely gorgeous. You could definitely use this for multiple purposes. What we're really here for is the stylized sticky dashboard. So this has the ability to snap right into your planner or your notebook, which I find super handy. And then it's just a bunch of sticky notes that you can write notes on, remind yourself of an upcoming meeting or event that you have. If you need to write down a real quick list, there's a list version as well. I love these things. They have come out with tons of different versions in the past, but these are so handy and helpful. And I know that they have a couple of varieties out right now that match the different prints. So I know there's a flower power one, and then I believe there's an Oh-So Retro one that matches the teacher planner as well. So if you're one that loves to write on sticky notes like I do, this one will be perfect for you. All right, so it looks like the next thing that I have in here is a packet of stickers, and I'm gonna guess that these are the stickers that are available in the back of the Life Planner. So as you guys know, the Life Planner comes with 4 sticker pages in the back, but they also give you the option to go ahead and purchase extra ones. If you really like those stickers and end up using them all, you can go ahead and purchase more. That way everything's kind of cohesive and matchy-matchy. That's my preference. I'll walk you guys through the 4 pages of stickers. So we just have some flags and hexagons here on the first page. We've got a bunch of to-dos this week, rescheduled, canceled stickers. We definitely found the importance of the rescheduled and canceled stickers this year. We've got the little habit boxes. I love using these. We've got a whole page kind of dedicated to birthdays and celebrations. And then on the last page, I absolutely love this page just because it's the label page and I love using it. I really got into using the label page this year and have found it really helpful, so I'm excited that we have this still. So those are the 4 pages in the sticker pack. Like I said, these are in the back of the Life Planner, but then you can also purchase them separately. The next thing I have in here, I don't know what it is. It's a mysterious box that has the colorful layers print on it. My guess is that it's a ballpoint pen, and the reason I say that is because I know that they came out with one with the kaleidoscope print, and it's exactly the same. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Okay, this box is absolutely gorgeous. It's really nice and smooth too. It'd be really pretty just kind of sitting on your desk. All right, yep, it is a gorgeous ballpoint pen. So it's just this really fancy looking box and has the beautiful ERIN CONDREN pen in here. So we can go ahead and take the plastic covering off, and then we've got our pen, and it does have a little bit of like a foam interior so that it has a place dedicated just for your pen. And again, it has the colorful layers print on it. It's beautiful. So that is gorgeous. I am not the biggest ballpoint pen user. I actually don't really use ballpoint pens at all, to be honest. I am more of a gel pen type of person, so I typically grab for my Pilot G2 or the Papermate, what is it? The Papermate Inkjoy. So Pilot G2 or Papermate Inkjoy are the 2 that I usually gravitate towards. I'm not a big ballpoint pen person, but if you are, then these pens are absolutely gorgeous to have sitting out on your desk or just to be using every day. The next thing I spy is a set of the washi tape duo, and it looks like they're both in the layers print, so the theme again for this year. One is in the colorful and then one is in the neutral. I love using washi tapes in my planner to help me decorate or organize myself in my notebooks, make it look a little bit more organized. But if you're a washi tape person, just know that there is a new set out that includes the layers print, and it will be available on the site. Okay, let's see, what should I grab for next? We'll go for these 2. So I've got 2 things here. The first thing is the mini snap-in bookmarks, and the second is the snap-in dashboard. So both of these have, again, the layers print on them for this year, and I absolutely love the dashboards. I wish I used them more, to be honest. I don't use them as much as I would like to. So for this year's dashboard, we've got a lined section up here that says priorities, and then we have a bullet pointed section at the bottom that says to do. And then on the back, it is listed Monday through Sunday in different sections, so you can plan out maybe your meals for the week, your workouts for the week. If you have events after work or during the day, you can kind of plan those all out right there. And then also, I absolutely love these snap-in bookmarks. I use them every single year. I either typically use them to mark off the month the week, and then I use the third one typically for the notes pages in the back. But I absolutely love these. These are a lifesaver. What is this? Oh, it's 18 months. Okay, so guys, this is the Petite Planner Monthly Planner 2020-2021. It goes from July 2020 all the way through December 2021. So that's really cool. I didn't realize they were going to be coming out with an 18-month monthly planner. That's really neat. Why don't we go ahead and open it up real quick and see what's inside. I just read that it says it's got 80 pages. Okay, so it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a very pale yellow color, and it has gold foil detailing on it in the mid-century circles print. Absolutely gorgeous. On the front it says, "The more you dream, the further you get." Ooh, the inside, look at that, that's gorgeous. It's again got the mid-century circles print. It just says monthly planner, July 2020, December 2021. We have our 18-month overview, similar to how we have this in the Life Planner. Okay, and then we've got July, August, we just go through all the months. August 2021, December 2021, and then it looks like we've got some dot grid pages. Oh, is it dot grid all? It's dot grid all the way through, you guys. Okay, so the rest of the planner is dot grid. And then, let's see. In the back, we've got our 2022 monthly overview. Just crazy to say. And then we've got our pocket in the back with our little sticker sheet. So this is handy if you're decorating your planner and you just want something really small to pop in there. And again, this print is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's so pretty. Beautiful. Okay, so that is the 18-month monthly planner in the petite form. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm kind of curious to see if I'll use this or not. I've been trying to kind of pull away from using a variety of planners and really trying to put everything just in one life planner. So we'll see. I might end up using this, I might not, but I definitely want to try and see how it works for me, so we'll see. Okay, the next thing that I have in here is the DIY interchangeable pen kit. So it says scribble, design, write, highlight. This kit includes 4 highlighters, 6 medium tips, 3 fine tips, and 2 barrels. Wow, that's a lot in this tiny box. Okay. So it's got gray, cornflower, ice blue, robin, seafoam, lime, lemon, peach, magenta, rose pink, blush, lilac, and purple. So it looks like they have different refill tips, and then it has a single barrel that's double-ended. So you can go ahead and swap out things depending on what you're needing and what your preferences are. And the different colors come in the different types of tips that I had listed off earlier. This is really cool. I've seen this used in a couple of Instagram posts, and I definitely want to try it out for myself. I think that the fine tips are going to be what I gravitate towards because that's the type of pen that I usually go for. And I'm thinking that it's more of like a marker pen, kind of like the Sharpie pens, I think it's Staedtler, and then there's one other pen that I use frequently that has more of like a porous marker type of tip, but it's fine. So I'm really excited to try these out. This will be fun. I'm not too excited about the fact that it's interchangeable. I kind of like just having like my stash of pens that I can take with me everywhere that are like when I have 10 like pens in my hand. But who knows, maybe I'll like the interchangeable feature, that way I only have to carry around 1 pen at a time, but we'll see. This is exciting though. I really like the idea of this. They kind of did a preview of this in the spring seasonal surprise box, if you guys got one of those. This one just has more options, I guess. The last thing, guys, this is the last thing I have in my box. The last thing is the sticker book. And this is the Layers sticker book because they also came out with a Flower Power sticker book. If you guys don't know, they come out with a designer sticker book every single year that kind of goes with this year's theme. They usually have a themed one, and then they'll come out with a monthly one as well that kind of goes through the different months of the year and has stickers dedicated to that month or relating to that month. So this is the Layers one, and then on the back it just kind of shows all the different stickers that it has in it. So it has a couple of big box quote stickers, hearts, tons of flags. They've got a ton of flowers, more flags, more dots, tons of dots. They've got some of their clear stickers with gold foil on them. There's washi tape. There are a ton of flags in here. It's gorgeous. Okay, why don't we go ahead and flip through it. So like I said, this is the layers one. They also are coming out with flower power one. So this is the first page. Oh, the colors are gorgeous. They're so bright. So this page has rose gold foiling on it. Oh, I said flowers, they're asterisks. Tons of asterisks, which are actually really helpful with just kind of putting like a little, like, this is my to-do for the day. This is the most important thing for the day. We've got our dots. They say to do, love, and then to do again. They've got some blank ones in here as well. We've got flags, tons and tons of flags. These are glossy. They might be slightly transparent, I don't know. These are kind of fun. They've got the little heart like icon that you would have like on Instagram. Those are cute. We've got now, OMG, goal, ASAP, yay, love. Those are fun. Some big bold circles. A few of them have quotes on them. These are the gold transparent ones that I was talking about. They say to do, me time, hello weekend, note, and appointment. That's fun. These are beautiful, just kind of some headers. It looks like these might cover 2 vertical boxes, like a Saturday, Sunday box. I'm not entirely sure, don't quote me on that. And we've got some fun icons down here. More flags. These have silver foiling on them. We got some box stickers and then some hearts. We've got our washi page. I love their sticker washi. I wish that they would come out with just a book full of sticker washi. I would absolutely love that. Got some more box stickers. They've got some quotes on them, and I believe, yep, that is the last page. So that is the Layers Designer Sticker Book. Like I said, they also come out with one that's flower power, and then they also have their back to school one that is in, I believe, in the Oh So Retro theme. Oh So Retro. That's kind of fun to say. Anyway, so that is the Designer Sticker Book, and that is actually all of the accessories that I have to cover with you guys today. Like I mentioned at the beginning, all of these, for the most part, were in the Layers theme, but they also have corresponding accessories in the flower power theme as well, which is amazing. It's so cool because now we have like the double amount of accessories to use within our planner, and it's kind of fun because then you can mix and match. Like, say I have the Layers print planner, but I love all the flower power accessories, I can go ahead and get those instead. So I think it's really cool that they've come out with an additional theme. It makes it a little bit more fun and exciting, and I'm really excited to see what else ERIN CONDREN comes out with this year. I know they're gonna come out with so much more, and it's just gonna be so exciting. So if you guys did miss my last video, make sure to go hop over there to learn all about the new planner for the year 2021. I cannot believe I'm saying that year, but it's so exciting. You guys know how much I love planning and organizing. I just want to give a huge thank you to the whole entire ERIN CONDREN team for giving me the ability to review these products and share these products with you guys before they launch. Like I said, insiders will have early access on Monday the 27th and Tuesday the 28th, and then there's going to be the general launch to the public on Wednesday the 29th. So if you guys are interested in any of these accessories at all, I'll make sure to link them down below so you can go directly to them. And then also, if you guys don't know, if you're new to ERIN CONDREN and you sign up with my link, you will get $10 off your very first order, and then I also get a $10 credit as well. It's always nice to save a little bit of money when you're placing an order, so make sure to sign up with my link if you aren't registered with ERIN CONDREN yet, and you will get $10 off your very first order. Alright you guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see all the new accessories. It's so exciting. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. I'm happy to answer them. And then please make sure to share this video with anybody else that you think might be interested in watching it as well. It really helps to support my channel. And then other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.